action on the website. Remember, arianespace.com.
À tous de DDO, attention pour moins 1 minute.
DDO and the 1 minute mark coming up.
Top, A0 moins 1 minute.
And now the guests are getting up at the 1 minute mark. Usually they go out early. They go out at 2 minutes. We're in the final 60 seconds. Simon, all that's left to explain is the ignition sequence. What do we look for?
Well, at H0, the DDO will call out Allumage Volcan, the main stage ignition. But at this moment, we don't lift off yet. In fact, there will be 7-second wait. For these 7 full seconds, the computers are checking the performance of this main engine as it's functioning and on the pad. If all is well, then, and only then, the order is given to light the 2 solid rocket boosters. At this point, there's no going back. We will be off.
We're off in a minute. We're going to cut away, let you hear the DDO, call out the final countdown. Enjoy the launch, everybody.
À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage EAP, décollage. Tous les paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
And so we are underway. Did you see at 1852 local time and right on time, Ariane 5 began her mission, lifting off beautifully, showing a lot of power right from the ground here in French Guiana with a lot of fire, beginning her second mission of the year, the 20-ton ATV going to the International Space Station. Beautiful shots, always impressive for the people at the observation sites around the base, in their cars or on the beaches. Ariane lifting off in her trail of gold. She's making a turn now. She's going to pass overhead.
We're about 15 kilometers from a launch pad, and even here you can still feel the sensation of launch. But if you're watching from that closed viewing station, which is only 5 kilometers away, you can really experience that sensation of the acoustic noise from those 2 solid rocket boosters, as they provide right now 90% of the thrust, propelling the launch along its trajectory at ever higher velocity. It really is quite sensational to witness there in Toucan.
How many launches have you witnessed?
I've been fortunate to witness 2 from there, plus tonight from here.
777 tons is Ariane's weight at liftoff. The DDO is saying that everything is okay on board. She's burning, if you can believe it, 5 tons of fuel every second. 5 tons of fuel every second. 2.5 tons in each booster, plus the core stage, the lower stage, burning another 300 kilos per second. The launcher now following the program in the onboard computer, which gives all the orders, including stage separations, which we'll soon begin to see. We are in the first of 4 flight phases. We'll describe each in turn so you can follow Ariane. Right now, the first flight phase, the single Vulcan core stage burning with the boosters. The boosters are going to burn for another 4 or 5 seconds, and then they will be extinguished, and you'll see them probably, it looks like the extinction of the boosters. You can see them falling away on either side. The orange lights are the boosters flailing out, and the single point of light in the middle of your screen is Ariane continuing to burn.